So this is how you have to take the tip of onion root tip. You should only take the tip, that just 1 mm or maximum 2 mm. It will be good if you take only that 1 mm tip of the onion root tip. These are the tips collected from the onion. Root tips which are collected from the onion. And here this is put into 1 molar HCl. And this should be warmed and then kept for some 5 minutes. And then only it should be transferred into stain acetocarmine. Take a closer. These are the onion root tips collected. So this is how you have to take the tips. Only that 1 mm tip should be collected for the study of mitosis. We'll just go through the procedure. So the practical is study of mitosis, squash preparation of onion root tip. So here it is written squash preparation. Means you have to squash the onion root tip to see the stages. Only then if it is squashed properly, then these stages will be, the mitotic stages will be visible through the microscope. Okay, so I am going to explain the procedure. So I will just read it out for you. Root tip of about 1 mm were cut out from the actively growing root using a sharp razor blade and transmitted to a watch glass containing 1 molar HCl for hydrolyzing the cell. So we will first take out the tips of the onion roots. So we have to keep it for sprouting some 2 days before the practical or before the experiment. And by that time the new roots would have grown. And the tip of the root, 1 mm tip of the root should be cut off from it and transferred to 1 molar HCl, so that the cell, the wall that will be hydrolyzed, and it should be slightly warmed and kept for some 5 minutes. Warm the watch glass to about 60 degrees over the flame of a spirit lamp, and it was kept for about 5 minutes in HCl. In this HCl you have to keep it for some 5 minutes. Okay, so what then? Warming the root tips in 1 molar HCl solution. This likewise, like this you have to warm and keep it for some 5 minutes. For 5 minutes and then take it for staining. But most often the specimens will be provided to you in this stage. Okay. So you have to take from the onion root tips from the HCl and stain it. So what you have to do is 2 to 3 pieces of the root tip were placed in 2 to 3 drops of acetocarmine. That is the stain that you are going to use, acetocarmine. So you have to transfer 2 to 3 tips from the HCl to acetocarmine in a watch glass. In a watch glass, take 2 to 3 drops of acetocarmine and transfer the root tips into that acetocarmine. Okay, and then gently warm it. You have to warm it gently. Okay, not too much, just warm it. And keep it for 5 minutes. After warming, you keep that for 5 minutes. And wash away the excess stain. You have to wash away the excess stain with 45% acetic acid. That means you have to drain the stain, what is there in the watch glass. And then you have to add 2 to 3 drops of acetic acid. 45% acetic acid. Okay. And then again drain it. Okay, again drain it. And then add few drops of distilled water. Then you have to add few drops of distilled water. And the cover slip was put over it. So you have to take the tip from the watch glass, place it on a clean glass slide, put 1 or 2 drops of water, place a cover slip over it, and then smash it with your thumb. You have to smash the tip with your thumb. So after smashing, you won't be able to see anything. Only a light pink color will be seen. Light pink color. then your squash preparation is good. If you can see a clear round material there, then your squash preparation is not proper. Okay, if the squash preparation is good means it will be what you can see only light pink color there. You won't be able to see anything else. So it means the squash preparation is good. Then you can go to the microscope, put it under 40x magnification. First you have to put it under 10x magnification. Then put it into 40x magnification and look for the stages. So you can search for prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are the 4 stages you have to identify. Okay.
Via the onion root tips. This is onion root tips placed inside the 1 molar HCl solution, which is already warm, and it has been there for 5 minutes. You require distilled water, acetic acid, 45% acetic acid, acetocarbon, 2 slides. You can prepare 2 slides. Then the cover slips, then watch glass, filter paper. So into the watch glass take 2 to 3 drops of acetocarbon. Into this acetocarbon you can add you can gently warm this. Gently warm this and keep for some 5 minutes. Okay, keep in the stain for some 5 minutes.
Onion from which you have to take the root tip. You can take the root tip from this end, only from the tips. The specimen should be collected only from this tip. After collecting one tip, you cannot take further one more specimen from that same branch. So from each of these root branches, you can take only that tip. 1 mm tip can be cut off and used for the experiment, that is my study of mitotic stages. In the stain for 5 minutes, now you can add if there is more stain, you can just drain it off. Okay, if you have added more stain, you can drain it off, or otherwise you can add the HCl, 45% HCl, and just slowly wash it. So while washing, you have to take care that this is not draining off with the fluid. So you can take it in with the brush. You can hold it and then drain the excess. With the brush you can hold it and then drain its acetic acid. Now you can add the distilled water. Now take a clean glass slide. Take one root tip and place over the glass slide. Put a drop of water. Put the cover slip.
place the filter paper and squash. So this is the squash that is obtained. So this is not a perfect squash. If it is a perfect squash means the specimen won't be visible. You can see only a light pink color. This is because I took it before reaching 5 minutes. It may be, or sometimes the tip may have been a bit thick. It may not have been enough in the acetocarmine, or the warming is not enough. Okay, so this is how you squash it. Now you can view this under the microscope. First you focus it in the 10x magnification and then in the 40x magnification. You can see the mitotic stages only at the 40x magnification. So if this is the specimen, this is the slide that you have obtained, you still you will get some stages towards the lighter side of the this area of this specimen. Okay, lighter. Okay, this is a bit more lighter. It was a bit more smaller root tip, and it is little more lighter. So here you may view more stages. Okay, then I will show you, if some of you obtain some good squash, we will show it in the video. Okay. So this is the squash that is obtained. So this is not a perfect squash. If it is a perfect squash means the specimen won't be visible. You can see only a light pink color. This is because I took it before reaching 5 minutes. It may be, or sometimes the tip may have been a bit thick. It may not have been enough in the acetocarmine, or the warming is not enough. Okay, so this is how you squash it. Now you can view this under the microscope. First you focus it in the 10x magnification and then in the 40x magnification. You can see the mitotic stages only at the 40x magnification. So if this is the specimen, this is the slide that you have obtained, you still you will get some stages towards the lighter side of this area of this specimen. Okay, lighter. Okay, this is a bit more lighter. It was a bit more smaller root tip, and it is little more lighter. So here you may view more stages. Okay, then I will show you, if some of you obtain some good squash, we will show it in the video. Okay. A good, a medium type squashing. This can be a little more better. So this here more stages will be visible in this squash. This has the specimen has spread well. Is it visible in that?
White background.
Okay, this is a medium type squash. Can you see? Or like this. Okay, here more stages will be visible, and if it is a little more spread means it is even better squash.